Alright, yeah, for your new job, all you need to do is, clean all this stuff here. Shouldn't be a problem. Bye.
Oh man, how am I gonna clean all this stuff? Nah. Let's try the small ball over here. Well, that worked. I don't think I can get this. And let's try the stuff over here. Is this a remote? Yeah, apparently it is. Maybe I can remote control this. Cool. Well, 2 down, 1 to go. Let's try this thing over here to push down the big thing. Well, that did the trick.
Well, looks like you got the new job.
Yay!
Well, here. Have this big robotic pencil. Bye.